So I got to work this morning, and one of our company's trailers was blocking this other company's trailer, this one right here. So another driver asked me to, like, hey, do you mind moving this for me? I don't want to connect to your trailer. And I was like, oh, yeah, no problem. I'll just quickly move that out of the way for you. Yeah, no problem whatsoever. Till mid, till mid backing. It was actually a lot difficult than I thought it would be. But I needed to move it over here. I didn't want to move it over here, and I didn't want to move it anywhere else. I just wanted to move it over here. I just figured all right. But there's another trailer that's parked here, and I'm just going to go ahead and use the fence for that one. But anyway, let me just show you how difficult it was. So again, this is on normal mode, not easy mode. Of course, I started turning it like immediately, which is fine. You can do that. You just don't hit the trailer. I figured what I would do is get nice and close over here. Are we going to hit it? We're going to straighten up a little bit. There we go. Now we just drive straight. As soon as the axles are by the corner, I'll start turning to the left. Okay, hard left. It's alright. Everything's going slow. I figured this would be I do this in one shot too, but it didn't. And I didn't do anything wrong either. Well, I was overconfident. But I just figured I'd just drive straight now. Ish. And angle myself to the left. Around now. And I'll just basically keep going. And then I realized, oh, I'm not even going to get my axles past this. So I basically just have to keep going until I well, not hit this, but until right before I would hit it. So let's go ahead and turn the steering wheel all the way that direction. And there we go. Let's go nice and slowly. And let's start chasing it pretty much immediately. Well, we can go faster than that. There we go. So, couldn't quite see what's going on yet. Now, this trailer is sticking out further than this one. But it doesn't give me much room. I'm actually doing much better on this. But I had to get out and look here just to see how far it is. And I need this to be parallel. I'm very anal when it comes to everything needs to be parallel. Now, I could try. Oh yeah, I can't. Yeah, I can't do anything while I'm out and looking. So I could try to do this, but it's not getting me too far. So here's my problem. I need this to be parallel, and I have no room. So I just have to do it I suppose I wouldn't say the old-fashioned way, but I just have to drive slowly, do everything hard to the left. Like, even though I'm moving to the left right now, as you can see, this trailer is actually kind of going to the right. It will keep doing that till it is parallel. Oh, this took me forever. I don't know how many pull-ups I had to do. All right. Of course, not hitting the trailer. And I was getting all the way up to that trailer. So, turn the steering wheel to the right because I need to shove this over to the left. There we go. And of course, basically only after a few feet, I have to turn the steering wheel in the other direction. And then you got to keep it going. But it's like, how long do I keep it going? Because, you know, it's kind of hard to tell how far away this is. It's easy right now for us because we can kind of tell, you know. Like, I was just gonna go ahead and finish off, like, around here. Whoops, it is. Come on now. Come on, come on. And kind of get away with that. But I wasn't a big fan of that. I'm not. Okay, I don't know why I didn't stop there. If you on my version, if you double click the center of the screen, you're supposed to stop. It didn't do that for me. I'm going to ignore the life I just lost because I was going to stop. All right. So let's go off back to the left again. And of course, it pushes the front of the trailer back to the right. Let's stop and analyze what we got to do. All right. So I say what we can do is maybe drive straight and see what happens. And then maybe we can push it over. All right. Okay, let's go ahead and... So I want to go... So if I do that, I can at least get it parallel. I won't be completely over, I believe. Oh, stop. Okay, not over yet, so I got to go all the way to the left. Pull forward just a little bit. And everything has to be slow. I know this video is so boring. all the way to the right, and then we're going to get straight, and then we're going to keep going, because now we're rotating the back of the trailer. And of course we have to finish it off turning to the left. And hopefully this will get us there. And not hitting the trailer or the wall. Alright, I think we're doing alright. So let's go ahead. We always gotta, when you're going in reverse, just basically do whatever you did was opposite. Meaning it was turned to the left, now we're going to the right. Alright, I think this is it. I think I can get it now. Let's try it out. And I gotta finish off parallel. Okay, looking good. Looking good. Let's stop for a second. Let's turn all the way to the right. And let's continue. And let's stop there. Did it work? No, I still got to bring it over a couple of inches. Hard left. Sometimes it's a good idea to just stop the truck right there. You know, it's not great for the tires or for the dirt, but it allows you to maneuver better. Because when you're moving and you turn the steering wheel, it creates a longer turning radius, or a wider turning radius. I should have done the same thing there. Stop. It doesn't look like I moved over much, but I did. I did move over. I think we can probably move it over another inch on the way back. So I'm going to turn the steering wheel to the right. Alright, it's going to push the front of the trailer to the right, but the back of the trailer to the left. And then only after a few feet, there we go, we'll turn all the way to the left. Keep it going. Let's chase it. And stop. And I do believe, if I just back up a couple more inches from where I placed it, there we go. Level complete. Yeah, some of these levels are going to be really tough, just like the real world. So that's why I recommend this game whenever it does come out. Or maybe it is out by now, by the time you watch this video. Anyway.